We have less number of girls compared to boys. Ideally, there should be more girls than boys. For every 1,000 boys, there should be more than 1,000 girls. But in India, we have 934 girls for 1,000 boys. This is called adverse sex ratio. And the remedy is making people aware about keeping their rather raising girl children properly. So slogan which government of India has given is Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. It's in Hindi. So it means save your girl, teach your girl. With that education, she'll get empowered, okay, and she'll take care of other girls also in society. So that is the message, and this rally is also being taken out to spread that message and bring awareness. Rally will start from here, then there is a program which is being organized by Department of Women and Child Development, and director will be present over there, additional collector will be there, and of course all the Anganwadi workers. So many students have come to participate enthusiastically and send this message across to the wider society that yes, let's save our girl child. They are the real treasure of our society.
आज इंटरनॅशनल गर्ल चायल्ड डे आमी सेलिब्रेट करपाक हांगा कलेक्ट्रेट सावथान जमिल्ली आसा. रवींद्र भवन मडगांव इन कोलॅबरेशन वीथ वुमन एंड चायल्ड एंड कलेक्ट्रेट सावथ आमी ही रॅली आयोजीत केल्या आनी ही रॅली फॉलोड बाय एक प्रोग्राम आसतलो रवींद्र भवन स्मॉल हॉलान. थंय एक नाटकुली हें करतली आमची 2 आनी सराचें टॉक आसतलें, भाशण आसतलें आनी आमची थोडी ही आसात तांची वेलकम सॉंग बी आसतलें. आनी ह्या रॅलीचो उद्देश म्हणजे आज इंटरनॅशनल गर्ल चायल्ड डे सेलिब्रेशन आनी आमची चली भुरगे कितले म्हत्वाचे आनी लोकांक असो संदेश पावोवपा खातीर ही आमी रॅली आनी बरे बरे पोस्टर्स करून हाडिल्ले आसा. आनी आमचे अंगणवाडी वर्कर्स हेल्पर्स आनी थोडी कॉलेजीची भुरगीं आसा